shredding paper is kind of like therapeutic.
JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have an 8-sheet shredder. Crosscut right here, all right? I'm not gonna make this too long. I have 4 piles of paper here. 8 sheets here, and it goes up from there. So 8, 9, 10, and 11. I do have more paper here if we need to. I wanna just verify if this thing could do 8 sheets or more. When something says 8, everybody always goes more than 8. So here's 9 sheets. Wow. So let's try 10. This is 10. All right. 10 is struggling. 10 was definitely struggling. Now here's 11. That seemed like it was definitely struggling. Now, if you continuously do 11 sheets on a regular basis, like 11, because it did do it. However, these do have thermal shutdown. They will shut down if it gets too hot, and then you're gonna have to wait. So, since we did do 11, we're gonna do 12. Oh. Uh-oh. This is not a 12-sheet shredder. So one, we're gonna see if we could fill this thing up, and we want to see if we can overheat this. So it says it could do 8 sheets. We're gonna start doing it. So I have, like I said, a whole bunch here ready to go. Oh, struggling. That's why. I got one more to go, and then we'll be 172. Wow, I'm impressed. So, 172 sheets of paper. This thing worked really well. I can't believe it. Let me just make sure. Holy macaroni. It's clear. But I can smell it definitely overheating for sure. And look at that. That is really nice. This, I wasn't expecting it to work this well. This is going to get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. I can't believe it. I just pumped 172 sheets. 8 sheets per. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. And it worked. And it didn't break. It didn't die. It functioned as it was intended and advertised. This is awesome. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In a world of bytes and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. Joeteck's the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. Joeteck's here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.